today's video. So in today's video I've decided to do a cosplay of one of my favourite Game of Thrones characters. So if you haven't watched Game of Thrones, her name is Daenerys Targaryen and she is one of the main characters and she's just so sassy, and I just thought, you know what, I want to be a queen, I want to be a Khalessi. So I'm going to dress up as she did in Karth, and it's where she wore this blue dress that was gifted to her, and I really love the dress, hence why I've chosen that one. And also hers was made out of silk, mine is not, but I've tried to like replicate it as close as I can whilst on a budget still. And then I've also got a platinum blonde wig to try and replicate her hair, because unfortunately my hair's a little bit the wrong colour and texture, but we're going to work with it. So I'm going to do my best to look like that. There will be some slight variations, but no, it should be good fun. Disclaimer, unfortunately I couldn't find 3 dragons, so we're just gonna have to deal with that, but no, let's get to it. So I've decided to go for the outfit first rather than hair and makeup, just because I don't want to be like taking off tight-necked clothes when I've just done a wig or things like that, because it's just gonna go pear-shaped. So I thought I'd put the dress on first. Now this dress I got off Wish, and I was very like, you know, I wasn't expecting anything amazing, but it's come and it's not that bad. Like, so it looks like this. So the colour is a little bit off the colour, and hers is like, it plunges down and it's quite sheer, whereas this one is sort of just like a V-neck, and it's not that sheer, but I mean it is fairly sheer. But yeah, so it's like that, and it's got the gold panels like she has, and then it's just a nice flowy dress, and you just basically step into it. It's like a bucket. But that's fine because there's a belt to go with it, so you can pull in the bucket. And then it's got this really fancy cape thing. It's definitely fit for a queen, so love that. So it just looks like that. And then the waistband is just like a laser cut piece of foam, which is great. But it just ties around so you can make it big or small as you want, and you can like corset the belt. So that's going to sit around my waist, which is gonna be nice. So quite excited to try it on. I got it in a size small. I will actually try and find a link for you, so if you wanted this for like fancy dress or Halloween you can, but it looks actually really nice. And I mean, people, well, Game of Thrones fans will know it's her dress. It's not quite the same, but it's similar enough. For instance, on her dress she also had like beads hanging down, like 2 chains of beads. It doesn't come with those beads, but I could quite happily make like 2 chains of beads to hang off it. That's not a hard thing to do. Unfortunately, I haven't got beads with me at the moment, so we're just going to have to see what it looks like without. But I'll go pop it on. I won't show you the full effect because I'll show you that when I've got my hair and makeup done, but I'll pop it on so you'll see like the top half. I literally feel 10 times sassier than usual, and all I've got on is the outfit. But it fits really well, but I'll show you the whole thing once I'm all done up. So I'm now going to move on to hair and makeup. So I think I'm going to start with my makeup. So for my makeup, I've decided I'm just going to like brush out my eyebrows a bit and then put some eyeliner like around my eyes or on the top, because I'm looking at a photo of her here, and I'm just, if it will let me click on it, there we go, and it's like, it's not that heavy, her makeup, but like she does have something on her eyes, and then the other thing that stands out to me is her eyebrows, and I think she does have a bit of lip colour, but it's very natural. So I'm gonna go do that. So that's my eyebrows done. I literally just brushed them out and filled them in a bit using this 3-in-1 brush from Primark. So now for the eyeliner part of it, I'm probably going to remove the mascara I've got on currently, because she doesn't seem to have that like much makeup on her eyes, so I'm just going to put a bit of mascara on, and then it doesn't seem like black eyeliner, so I'm going to actually use a brown eyebrow pencil like as the eyeliner, just because I think it'll be a little bit softer. So I'm going to go do that. So I'm literally just trying to take off some of my mascara without taking off all of it. So that's the end result. I just went for like lighter mascara and then just brown eyeliner a little bit underneath and on the eyelids, just to keep it quite simple, but also, you know, just something there. So that's what it looks like. And now on to the fun part, which is the wig. So if you're new to my channel, you probably haven't, but I made a video a few months ago where I got this platinum blonde wig, and the reason I got it was to make this cosplay, so I can finally put it to use. And it's just this very blonde wig, which just looks like this. It's got a bit of a wave in it now. So it's a bit blonder than it probably needs to be, but like, we can't do everything perfectly for this cosplay, unfortunately. So first things first, I'm going to try and get this thing on my head. I don't know if I'm meant to wear this, but it helps keep my hair a bit tamer because I've got a lot of hair to put in this wig. So I'm just going to shove it in this thing and hope for the best. I'll probably just look like I've got a really fat head. Let's try and not catch all of my earrings in it as well. And my rings. That's one thing I would love. I would love to have all of her jewellery collection. Like, all the necklaces she wears in the show, like, I love it. That would be one very cool collection. Especially, she wears this, like, dragon, like, choker thing, which I actually looked up about it, and it was made by a designer that was literally, they made it to her, like, collarbones. It was, like, moulded for her, which is, I'm quite jealous of. Just trying to get the neckline to sit right. I don't want it to fold over like that. Right, let's do this. My hair is now low-key mouldable. Right, we're in this weird sock thing, so let's get this on. Right, I'm going to go fix this all to my head properly, and then I'll be back. So this is the best I could get the wig to look. So there's a lot of hair underneath it, but I don't think it looks too bad. It just makes me look like I've got a bit of a big head, but that's not an issue. So the hairstyle I'm going to be doing is the same one she had in the series, the show itself, which is just 2 twists going round. The rest of her hair it's a bit longer and wavier, but I'm going to try and not be too pedantic because that'll be so much effort to try and make this wig wavy. But yeah, so I'm just going to twist these bits. I'd love to try some of her more intricate hairstyles, where there's like loads of plaits and things like that, like going around her hair. Maybe I'll do another video on that, how to do Daenerys hairstyles. But yeah, so that's the hairstyle I'm going with. I'll just keep those bits there. So just some little braids going around, and then she wears her hair like that over the front because her dress was quite sheer, I think, so she was like covering her nipples. But nonetheless, that is my Daenerys Targaryen look. I don't know if I've quite bossed it, but first attempt, can't be too shabby. But yeah, so bold eyebrows and blonde hair, that's what I've gone for. But okay, I'm gonna go adjust my camera and then you can see the whole look. I'll also pop some sandals on because she's either in like boots or sandals, I swear. Now, I personally think my sandals look like they're literally out of the Game of Thrones time period, so I think I've nailed that. So I'm gonna go pop these on and then you can see the whole thing. So this is what I look like all dressed up in the outfit. So I absolutely love the dress. It's completely backless with just like these little straps to help hold it up, and then the belt just goes round. So it's actually a really comfortable dress to wear, and then the shoulder pads and the belt look really nice. So love the dress, and then obviously you've seen the close-up of the hair. Oh no, one of my braids has fallen out. Panic over, guys. I fixed it. So yeah, this is what I look like. I need to, what's the famous quote Daenerys has said? I will take what is mine with fire and blood. It's just so cool. I'm a proper little fangirl. But no, really, really, just, I love Game of Thrones and I love every scene she's in. But yeah, so this is my Daenerys cosplay, so I hope you guys approve. I need to go to like a Comic-Con now, I swear, like, I'm so ready. Oh, I love capes. Look at this. You can have so much fun with it. Very sassy. And I love like the gold shoulder pads and stuff, like, love it. I think you guys should call me Khalessi now, not Vanto. I think it fits better. Because I'm a queen now. No, I feel very sassy in this. I need to wear this somewhere, whether it's Halloween, a fancy dress party, or like a Comic-Con, it's gonna get worn. I feel too sassy in it, like, and too powerful. It's like, oh, give me my dragons. But no, nonetheless, that's today's video, so I do hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you thought of my attempt in the comments. I'm going to do a few more cosplays over the next few months, so stay tuned for more. But if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and yeah, let me know in the comments what's your favourite Game of Thrones scene. I'd love to read that. I'm such a fan. And also let me know if you've never seen it. I'd be intrigued to know like how many of you have actually watched it. But yeah, so that's today's video. I'll link like the dress down below and I'll see if I can find the wig. But apart from that, I will see you guys next time. And you can also find all my social media down below along with like my other channel, which is my geology channel. It's all about rocks and stuff, so if that interests you, go check that out. But apart from that, I will see you guys next time, and thank you for watching. I need to get my look like bang on, so she's like looking all shocked here. It's like there was literally no change in my face there. She's just like quite like I don't think I'm nailing it, but I'm trying. But in this one, look how intense her eyeliner is in this one. Like maybe I should have like gone all the way around, but nonetheless, I'm trying.